Hola, everybody. Guess where we are at? We're back on board another ship, and this time we're on the Holland America Koningsdam for a Mexico cruise. So I want to do a quick little tour of the room here. So this is a single room, and inside it's very nice. So let's take a quick tour. Here we've got our TV right across from the bed, which is really nice. I'm going to step over this way. There's the TV. There's our little bar area, which is great. Here's my hallway with the closets, lots of closet space here. There's the door in case I need to go out of here. And here is my desk. And I got some fresh flowers delivered, which is really nice for my room. Come this way down our little hallway, and here's our bathroom. So I'm gonna open the door. Maybe if I can get it open. And this is a standard bathroom on the cruise ship. They're all kind of the same. There's the mirror, the sink, the toilet. And this has a shower. So I like the newer cruise ships that do not have the bathtub, because I remember those bathtubs, because back in the old days they were half a bathtub and they were too small to get in and not comfortable. So that's our room on board the Holland America Koningsdam. So we're off to Mexico for 11 days.